Hey, what's up YouTube? Yes, it's another weekend, and you know, with every weekend comes a brand new tutorial on the frankcnero channel. By the way, I'd love to say a very big thank you for those of you who left a comment in our previous post, those of you who liked, and those of you who subscribed. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the frankcnero channel yet, you are missing a lot. Kindly hit the subscribe button down below and also click on the bell icon beside it so as to get notified whenever a brand new video is posted. Well, without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, let's try something different.
In today's video, I'll be showing you guys on how to create a perfect masking effect. Yes, perfect masking effect equally happens when you kind of like clone yourself, where there are two same person but two performing two different activities, but they're all in synchrony together with each other. So okay, I already have a video. There's already a video which I did earlier today. Okay, let's see, you go down to VireMaker, add the video. Okay, now this is the video. That's just me at the office, at the section of the office. Okay, let me just fast forward it a bit here. Yeah, I sit and I count till about 20 seconds. So at every interval, every 5 seconds, I say something or I make a reaction. Yes, every 5 seconds, 1 to 5, I make a reaction. Where 5 to 10, I make on that reaction. 10 to 15, I make on that reaction. And 15 to 20, I make another reaction. So the moment I still on a continuous shot, the moment this particular scene is over, I walk to the next scene. I take a particular file, walk to the next scene, and I come the same thing. So I'll count the same procedures, 1 to 5, I'll make a particular move. 5 to 10, I make on that particular move, and 10 to 20, I make the final move, just kind of like a fist punch and all that. So okay, I think that's about it. Now let's create the masking effect, or should I say the cloning effect, on this video. First and foremost, I'll get to the front, the very beginning of the clip. Let's see, the moment I walk in, okay, let's say from here you go to split the video. We don't have anything to do with the first one, so we'll delete. So let's see, okay, drag the chair, sits. Okay, let's fast track it to probably the moment I stand. All right, let's say the moment I walk away. Okay, yes. Now from here I split. This should be the final of the entire shot. Now this is the other section. Now this other section now contains the second scene, so I have to go straight to where I walk in here too. No, this way I walk out. Okay, here where I walk into the shot here. Okay, somewhere from here. So from here I click on the same clip, split. This very first one, which happens to in between, I don't think I have any use for it currently, so I'll just have to delete. Now we are left with two separate clips. Let's see where this one goes towards the end. Let's see, probably when he walks out. Okay, when I walk out here, perfect. So from here, split the extreme, we don't need it, so we'll delete. So we've got two clips to play with. Let me zoom out so you see it clearly. We just have two clips to play with. First one, me sitting on the chair. The second one walks in and interacts with me. All right, I'll zoom back in. Okay, now in order to achieve this effect of masking, if you watch these two clips, they're on the same layer. We just have to do an overlay. Yes, an overlay of the second clip on the first clip, and we mask them together. So what I'll do is that I'll click on overlay here, then instead of clicking add overlay, I'll click on this second clip, which I'm planning to overlay on the first clip. Then when I go from here, I'll slide, I'll see overlay here. Yes, overlay here. I click on overlay. Automatically it goes down to the second slide. All I have to do now is to match it complete. I take it to the front a bit, hold it down, drag to the beginning. Okay, no, still far. I hold it, drag. Yes, this is the beginning of it. Now all I have to do now is to carry out my masking, and I'll still have to adjust the clip so as to for them to be in perfect synchrony. You go back here, okay. You click on the second clip, you locate mask. This is mask now. I'll take this mask, it is already on okay. Take it, turn it a little bit so it to be vertical. Then I adjust somewhere here. Now if you watch, there's a little issue. It's not in synchrony, you know. So enough for me to synchronize this very well, the mask has to come into play exactly when the first guy sits on the chair. So all I have to do is to drag to that particular point, or alternatively, okay, let's see. Okay, let's play and see exactly what happens. He walks in, he sits. Yes, this is flawless. But if you watch in the video, there was a particular time that both of them, they kind of like having a handshake or something. Okay, yeah, this is it. His hand is out, but this other guy sitting on the chair, his hands are not out yet. So I have to match this together with when the hands are out together, like both of them, they are kind of like greeting each other, you know, the coronavirus greeting style. Let's see, somewhere, okay. Okay, somewhere here. So I need to take this one a little bit backward. No, a little bit forward till both of them match. Let's see. Alright, let me just take it a little bit forward. You just got to match it completely so it will look flawless. You just gotta match it to look a little bit flawless. So I have to take this one forward a bit. Forward a bit. And one more time, forward a bit. Perfect. Now let's see. Okay. I think this is about it. Exactly. Now if you watch the second clip below, I cut it here. I would have allowed it flow to the end, but the reason why, because the guy seated on the chair needs to walk out. So the moment it passes this particular junction here, the first clip consumes the entire screen. There's no more masking effect, so he can equally walk. He can equally walk into the shot of the second guy without any. So it won't look as if there was a line there or the two clips were divided and he can't walk through and all that. So. So let's see, let's play from the beginning. Let's see. He walks in, sits, okay. 5-second interval, he looks. The other guy walks in, okay. They have a little interaction with each other, probably about some files and all that. Okay, he looks at the document. Yes, this is exactly what I was telling you about, those 5 seconds interval. At every 5 seconds, 1 to 5, you make a particular move, 1 to 5, you make another move. So on the second shot, you know that 1 to 5, you must make a corresponding move to the first one. So yes, perfect, flawless. He walks away. Okay, and this one works out. Okay. Perfect. Now all we just got to do now is just to add some sounds, and probably if we need to add some filters too, so as to match the background well. So I'll just come here, I'll mute the sound here, sound off. I go to this other second clip, I click on volume, I'll take it down to the end. Okay, I go back, audio, audio sounds. Let's see, add your sounds from device. I go down, let me see which particular song should I put. Okay, yeah, let's see, this one should be nice, from Asha, a Nigerian based artist. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Here I'll just cut this clip from here, delete the second one because I won't be needing it. Then maybe add something towards the end. Maybe let's just see. Nothing else to add. I think that should. That's all about it. Then all you got to do at the end of the whole day is just click on render. Alright guys, thank you very much. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Please leave a comment in the comment section, like the video, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you very much, and God bless. Have a wonderful week ahead.